AC compressor is low, but the compressor is actually turning. It was turning before and it was cold. It's still turning, no it's not, and the lines are warm, they're not cold. Something inside the compressor. Compressor is turning. Let's see what's sitting a little better. If I go turn it off, turn it off. Now the compressor is sitting still. Gauge readings are still, it's equalizing because it was working earlier and now it's not. So still off. Gauge readings. Now without doing anything, I'm just going to turn it on. Well, they tried. The high side is going up, so the low side is going up. No, make up its mind. And you see that it is now spinning. And now it's going to be cooler. That's normal. That's normal. Now this line ought to be cold. And now the line is cold. Now before, when the compressor was turning, it was not cold. And the pressures were different. So that to me is something inside the compressor.